Hey, welcome to the series of everything you need to know about Python in simplest possible way. In this video, we will discuss about arithmetic operators in Python. So you might say that I know all arithmetic operators. What else you are going to tell? So watch this video till the end. You might realize that I have learned something new in this video. So let's go ahead and see what are the arithmetic operators in Python. As like regular operators, we will be having addition, addition operator and subtraction operator. Let us see with some kind of an example. Let's say I have number 1 of 2 and I have number 2. I have number 1 of 2. I have number 2 of 3. So for these two numbers I am doing arithmetic operation. Let's say for addition I am doing number 1 plus number 2. So I am getting addition of 5, which is expected. So I am getting subtraction of number 1 minus number 2. I am getting subtraction of minus 1, 2 minus 1, which is of minus 1. That is also expected. That is not so big now. So let's go ahead do multiplication. I am doing number 1 multiplied by number 2. I am getting 6. 2 into 3, which is of 6. So now we will discuss some more detailedly. Let's say I have for division we have some different things. Let's say we have number 1 divided by number 2. What we will be getting by doing this is that division we will getting as like same regular thing of 0.6 is whatever the thing that we will be getting by 2 divided by 3. This is one operator that we are having in Python. So the another operator that we are having is floor division. Floor division, which is represented with two slashes, which is a floor division. Whatever the things that we are having after the decimal will be removed. We are only consider till decimal. So we are having num1 mod floor division of num2. I will be getting FLO or floor, let's say division. If I do this, I am getting floor division of floor division of 0. So these values, whatever the things that we are having after this decimal, will be removed by this floor division operator. So let's go ahead and understand one more operator, which is of modulo operator. Modulo operator returns a reminder that what we are getting. So floor modulo operator will be getting number 1. The modulo operator is this, and I am passing number 2. Whenever I am executing this, I am getting modulo value as 2. So the reminder that what I am getting by doing this modulo operation is 2. So that is how exactly we will be doing this division operator in three different ways. One is plain division, so that I will be getting the things with after the decimal also. By doing floor division, I will be getting only the values till the decimal, and by doing this modulo operator, I am getting only the values of remainder values. So let's go ahead and see one more operator in Python, which is of exponential operator, that will be represented with two stars. So I have this num1 and exponential operator of 2 stars. I have this num2, so that I am storing in expo, and I will be executing this expo. What I will be getting is 8. 2 power 3 is 8. 2 power 3 is 8. 2 power 2 is 4. 2 power 3 is 8. So that is the reason I am getting this value as 8. So these are the operators that we are having: addition, subtraction, multiplication, general division, floor division, and modulo operators and exponential operators. That is not it. So now we will be discussing about order of evaluation. Let's say I have these values. Let's say I have 2 plus 3 multiplied with 3. So what is the answer? Guess and comment in the comment section. So you might think that 2 plus 3 is of 5 and 5 into 3 of 15, but the answer is not. So the answer is 11. How exactly we are getting this 11 is because first we will be executing this 3 into 3, which is of 9. 9 plus 2, which is of 11. So that is how we are getting this output. So like this we will be following some order while evaluating this kind of an expression. So what is this, what is that order? The order is this one. So First we will be executing this parenthesis, next we will be executing this exponential operators, next we will be executing this multiplication, division, floor division, modulo, all these having the same priority while executing the operators. Next, at last we will be getting addition and subtraction operators. Let us go ahead and see and understand with all these with some kind of an example. Let's say I have 2 plus 3 multiplied with 2 and multiply and having the subtraction of 3 and having the, let's say, exponential operator with 2. And so by executing this, what I will be getting is that I am getting minus 1. So first 3 multiplied with, so I am taking this value and I am showing one after the other. So I am getting this value as 9. So this will be replaced with 9. Next, the order of evaluation is 3 into 2, which is of 6. And next, the order of evaluation is 2 plus 6, which is of 8, and 8 minus 9, which is of minus 1. So this is how the order of evaluation works. So in this way, first parenthesis, next exponential, next multiplication, division, floor division and modulo operator, next at last we will be having addition and subtraction. This is the flow that Python follows while evaluating the expressions of arithmetic operations. So that's it for this video. If you find this video interesting, hit the like button and subscribe for more. See you in the next one.